scooper. Get my scooper.
Here, scooper.
Like this.
Yeah, that's called fountain, not fountain. Fountain.
We need a hose to make it a big,
Yeah,
make a fountain.
fountain.
And you need to make it a small, deep hole.
Yeah, but we don't have water here, so how can we make a fountain? Maybe we make a mountain because we don't have water here. We cannot make a fountain.
You need to. I
Water?
want to use wood to make a circle. You make it like
Where do you get the wood?
right over that house
No.
beside.
No, you're gonna hold us. You're gonna make out. You're gonna make it. And then we will make a big hole here. This is the ocean, you know.
Yeah, we need to dig it. We need a big one.
A bigger one. Magalinda. Talino ka lang. Gogi na daw mo.
Ah,
I'm making another one.
ha?
Manit light, no?
Nato 4. Alaun do, mato gabi.
Magani kami, ano, mabiyahe kami, bapat may daga kami. You have a lot of friends in Canada, correct?
Yeah.
What are their names? Who's your best friend? Arisha?
No, Lucia.
You wish ya.
Is she a girl?
Yeah.
Are you on the same class?
Yeah, it's in Miss Crawford's class.
Do you like Miss Cobalt class?
Yeah.
Do you like your teacher?
How do
Wait,
we
wait,
move
wait.
this
Why your legs so dirty na, darling?